All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Are you shopping for a maker in your life and worried about this year's gift being a miss? Have you bought a gift in the past and knew right away it was a miss and sat in a drawer and collected dust? Do you want to get a gift this year for the maker in your life that they'll use on Christmas Day and every day after? If you're shopping for a maker in your life and you're out of ideas, then today's list will be super helpful for you. So today I'm going to go over 10 last minute gift ideas that you can get on Amazon for that maker in your life that will make a difference in their life. So if all that sounds good, then sit back and relax and I'll get everything ready. All right, so the first item that we'll take a look at is a set of hex screwdrivers, and these are great for any maker in your life as they will definitely be using these, and most likely they've lost their 1.5 millimeter, and this set will be great to replace that one as well. At least in my area, it will show up before Christmas. Be sure to check in your area. There's tons of different options for these, but I will leave a link for this one in particular. All right, so the next item on the list is a really good mechanical pencil. And the ones from Pentel are really good in these Graph Gear 1000s, either in the 0.7 or the 0.9 millimeter. Especially if the maker in your life does any kind of woodworking, they will thank you for this pencil and it'll be their favorite pencil of all time. It definitely is mine, and this one I definitely look for and make sure that I put away and everything. So another really great gift for the maker in your life. All right, if you really want to make the maker in your life happy, buy them this set of pocket pliers. These little Knipex 4 or 5-inch pliers fit great in the pocket and are so handy whenever you're making or creating things, because you can whip out a little set of pliers on the fly. And these are really good and fit right in the pocket. So if you really want to put a smile on the face of your maker, buy them a pair of these Knipex pliers. All right, so if your maker does any kind of 3D printing or woodworking or both, like in my case, then these calipers are a must. If they really need super duper precision, there's a lot better ones than this, but for just the average user, these are great. These are the ones that I use and have worked out great for me. And they're only like $25 after tax and everything like that. So if your maker does any kind of 3D printing or laser or engraving or woodworking or anything like that, then these little calipers are great to have around the shop. All right, another great gift or a great little stocking stuffer for your maker that does any kind of 3D printing or woodworking. These little magnets are great for the things that we make. A lot of the things that we make in 3D printing require these little magnets, and these are also great out in the wood shop. So if you're looking for a cool little stocking stuffer, this is a great one that your maker will definitely enjoy. All right, another great gift for that maker in your life would be a good multimeter. So if they haven't had one up to now, these are great to have, again, for anybody working out in their shop or that has a little maker space. These are great for troubleshooting your equipment when it's not working, or if you're working with any circuit boards or anything like that. These are awesome to have. Again, you can spend a lot of money on these, but for just the average person, this little $30 one is a great little pickup, and they'll definitely be happy with that. All right, another great gift for that maker in your life is a new soldering iron, and this one is cordless. I have not been a fan of cordless ones in the past, and I've always had a corded soldering iron, but I did pick one of these up about a month ago and absolutely love it. This is a great gift for a maker that's doing any kind of soldering and has a soldering iron with a cord on it. Trust me, they will love this soldering iron. A great gift to go along with the soldering iron, or if somebody has a soldering iron and doesn't have one of these helping hands, this is a great gift for that maker. These come with all the accessories, or this one comes with all the accessories that you need, and I really like this magnifying glass with a light. It makes soldering so much easier with having these helping hands. So if you have somebody that you bought a soldering iron for or does a lot of soldering, this set of helping hands is a great gift for them. All right, and another great gift again that goes along with soldering, 3D printing, woodworking out in the shop is a heat gun. If you're doing any kind of soldering, then you probably need to put heat shrink on that, and these little heat guns are great for the heat shrink or whatever. I picked this one up a couple of months ago and have absolutely loved it. I have bigger ones as well, but this little one is great for the smaller projects. All right, and last but definitely not least is one of these light boxes for photography. So if your maker is selling any of their 3D prints or any of the things that they are making out in their wood shop, or any of the things that they're making, or trying to show them off on Lynn Dizzle's live stream or anything like that, then these light boxes are great for that. Getting all of the light and everything good to go and having a blank background and all of that is always a challenge when you try to take pictures of these things. So if your maker is having issues with that, or trying to sell their stuff, or trying to show other people the things that they make, definitely get one of these light boxes. They will appreciate it, and this is one of those things that they'll use from day one all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, be sure to smash the subscribe button so you don't miss the next one, and I appreciate everybody taking some time to watch the video. Thanks, and have a great rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching.